Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and turn on auto renew for your listings on your Etsy store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page now we can get started. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and log into our account in the upper right corner if you are not already. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. If you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. So once we have done that, we can go and open up the shop manager. After you open up the shop manager, if you have not already set up a store, it's going to enable you to set up your store. And if you have a store using the shop manager, we can get started with accessing our store settings and our listings. And this is from where we can get started following this Etsy Help Center article right here on how to turn on auto renew for our listings. So basically guys, here we can go and take a look at how to renew active listings and how we can go ahead and turn off and on automatic renew. So as you can see, setting listings to automatically renew, we are going to follow the steps right here. We're going to go into listing details in our shop manager. So as you can see, you're going to open up the shop manager just like I showed you, open up your listing details and then look for renewal options. From there, you're going to see an option that says automatic, and if you click on the automatic option, it's going to enable you to renew your listing, and just like that, you're going to turn it on. If you want to turn it off, follow the steps right here on how to turn it off, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.